Yes, sir. I just want to take Shahada.
MashaAllah. The sister who had the question earlier, and I believe you're a Hindu sister?
Yeah, I'm Hindu.
Yes, the sister who had the earlier question, MashaAllah, Allah gave her hidayat and she wants to accept Islam. I want to ask you, sister, do you believe there is one God?
Yeah, I believe in
Do you
one
believe that Almighty God has got no images?
God. Yes, sir, I believe.
Yes, and you believe that there is no one to worship besides Allah?
Means?
Do you believe that there is no God but Allah?
Yeah, I believe Allah is the great.
Do you believe Prophet Muhammad is the last and final messenger of this God?
Yes, I believe.
Inshallah, I'll say in Arabic and you repeat it, sister. Ashhadu. I'll say in Arabic and you repeat it, sister, slowly.
Okay.
Ashhadu
Hashadu
Allah
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
washadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abdu
wa rasuluhu.
wa
Wa rasuluhu.
wa rasulu.
MashaAllah, sister. Sister, I'll just say the translation. I'll just mention the translation, sister. You just repeated the translation, which will be much more easier. I bear witness.
Say. I bear witness.
I bear witness
I bear witness
that
that
there is no God
there is no God
but Allah
but Allah
and Prophet Muhammad
and Prophet Muhammad
is
is
the messenger
the messenger
and servant of Almighty God.
and
Servant of Almighty God.
servant of Almighty God.
MashaAllah, sister. You are a Muslim. May Allah smart reward you. And may Allah grant you Jannah. And sister, as I mentioned earlier, if you have any question, any queries, please don't feel shy. You can contact the local organizations here. If you have any questions, you can even send an email to our organization, islam@irf.net. We have a ladies wing which takes care of any questions, any queries, any problems you have. And sister, see to it that as you keep on learning whatever about Islam, slowly and steadily. Main thing is Iman, believing. The practice keeps on coming slowly and steadily. Whatever you learn, you can ask questions, you can keep on following, and slowly, inshallah, you can keep on following all the trends of Islam. Thank you very much, sister.
Sir, is there any organization which can teach me how to pray, how to do all the things?
I'm sure there is an organization, Darul Bir. The organization I know in Dubai, Darul Bir. I'm sure there are lady organizations. And I think their sister Yasmin, who is the wife of my friend Brother Najmuddin, surely sister Yasmin would be somewhere in the ladies wing. They have a ladies organization. You can contact the volunteer and inshallah they'll help you out in teaching you how to pray, how to offer salah and the other aspects of Islam. Thank you, sister.